Hey kids, how about we go to the art studio and learn how to draw Mickey Mouse? Okay, follow me. So, I sometimes use things around the house to create a circle. So I'm using tape today, and we want to do a little line. You want to keep it light, everything light to start. Start out with a circle. And then what you want to do is you want to divide the circle into quarters. So lightly, you don't need it. You can just freehand this, lightly sketch. Breaking it up into 4 sections. This isn't totally even, but that's okay. Right below, you're gonna start adding, right below this point, you're gonna add a nose. And I would just do a little line there. You make an oval. And now we're gonna draw the black part. So you wanna come down a little bit, and you arch it. And arch on that side. And then pay attention. So where this line is, you're gonna come down, like swoop down about here, and then you're gonna curve it up, and you're gonna do this on both sides. I love Mickey Mouse. And it's not that easy sometimes, but this way it might be an easier way to do it. Okay, once you've got that down, you want to start adding his mouth. So make a little curve here and a little curve here. And make a very light swoop down, pretty light there. And another half oval right here. And his little tongue, like one of those birds, those silhouettes of a bird. That's what that shape is. And then come down here. I almost think I should have brought it down, but that's okay. Okay, let's see. Now with ears, I'm just gonna freehand them. If you want, you could. I think they look better when they're not perfect circles. So kind of like that. And then you're gonna do that on this side. Try to make them the same. And that's why we draw super light to start. Okay, so I'm there. Go ahead and see this circle here. Actually, you wanna, that's why we draw very light in the beginning, because some of it, we reshape it. So what I would do is come in a little bit here and come up. Do that on both sides. Because you want this part of, you want his cheeks to be popping out a little bit. Okay. So this arch, you want to extend it. Oops. Sometimes I have to turn it on its side. Oh, there we go. So you make ovals here, and you definitely want his little eyebrows. And like I said, kind of play around and reshape. These little cheeks pop out. And down here, because I don't want his chin to be too I could make his mouth a little bigger. Why don't we do that? Make his mouth a little bigger. And then his eyes. Well, I think we're done. We're ready for like outlining and color. And there's a Mickey Mouse. It's a simple way to do it. So the first one I didn't quite get the arch right, so I did another one. So just gotta tell you, when you are drawing, sometimes you have to redraw things in practice. Most of the time, whenever I'm drawing something, I'll draw it multiple times. Most great artists did back in the day, Da Vinci, and I'm sure cartoonists at Disney practice and practice. So have fun, take your time, enjoy yourself.